I stayed a little longer and got pictures on my own. Everyone else dipped. I just wanted to get some nice photos, to be honest. That was a lot of fun. Today was a good day. I don't know if I've ever had that much fun, to be honest, before on the bike. I'm just taking a guess on where to go. I really don't know how to get home, but I know the general area. I think I just gotta keep going straight and I'll be good. Look at they're having a grand old picnic over there. It was kind of a bust in the beginning of the day because we went to go meet at this one spot, but there was like some metallic event. I was like, what? It was annoying because I was gonna meet up with another guy, like, and he had a little group, but just couldn't because that event was there. I feel like I had to go that way. Guess we'll just have to find out. Yeah, I don't remember this at all, but it's really nice back here. I don't think I've ever been back here, ever, and this is so nice. This road, so I'm not trying to go too hard. Look, I know I'm not the best rider out there, but if you don't know a road, don't go Godspeed. And especially when it's like shaded area and it's cold, the ground's gonna be cold too. It's gonna be slippery. And if you go over that line right here, or even that line, and you're lean, it's slippery, so you're gonna slide a little bit. It's like right here. This looks sketch, so I'm slowing down. I don't really know it. No, come up to a safe speed. There you go. I'm still going over the speed limit there, but dude, this place is great. I'm glad I went the wrong way, because holy hell. Definitely supposed to turn left back at that bridge. Alright, another narrow bridge. Just slow down. Don't know where I'm going. Don't know where I'm going. Wait, that looks familiar, actually. I feel like I'm going the right way. I really don't remember any of the roads we took before. Oh wait, this honestly might be it. Yeah, this is it. I'm following the river too. Yeah. I'm losing my mind. Sorry for all the wind noise, guys. I'm trying to get a new helmet, and my mic doesn't have the little fuzzy thing over top of it anymore. My helmet is hella loud. I don't like it. It looks cool, but it's just not, it's not worth the wind noise. I think my Cardo just, what the piss? Hold up. I don't know where I'm going. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. I'm definitely not going the right way. There's just no way. see a 15 like that, you best better go slow or else you're fricked. I have no idea where I'm at. No idea. Like at all. I don't know what I'm looking at. Damn, all that gravel. Gravel. Bridge. Ooh, I'd like to oversteer that and straighten my bike out on bridges, because if you're leaned over and you hit a bump, oh my god, it could get nasty. Alright, let's like admire where I'm at real quick, just to, because honestly I have no idea where I'm at. I feel like going right's the right way, but left just looks more fun. But I kind of want to go somewhere towards what I think is home. I don't really know. I really have no idea, but we'll guess. Damn, that looks so nice. It's hard to see, I'm not gonna lie. Hey! I couldn't see. I could have, oh my god, I could have hit that guy. Good thing he wasn't going too fast. That glare's rough, I'm not even gonna lie. No, still no idea where I'm going. This just doesn't look right at all. That looked fun. Down that way. I want to go down that way. Finally, I always tell myself, oh, that looks cool, let's go down that way, and then I never go back to that area, and I'm like, I gotta do it now. Alright, I gotta follow them. Oh fuck, I guess I'll never find out. Damn. What is today? This is so random. What the hell? Oh. I really hope my GoPro's still rolling. Let's go! Oh, shit! I can't tell if that's a female or not, bro. I don't know. Oh man, I need that Gatorade. Oh fuck. What the fuck? This is so cool. What the fuck? And then they turn up on me. That's hilarious. Well, that was weird, wasn't it?
Oh, there he is. We were trying to see him all day, and then we turned around, and I was like, oh, there he goes the other one.
You guys were like, come on. I was like, all right. Where are you guys from?
All over.
All over? So yeah, a little backstory. This guy hit me up and said that he used to live around this area, and said, well, one of my buddies rides here. And I was like, oh yeah, who? And he sent me his Instagram, and we were supposed to meet today at this one, at that spot earlier that had that little metal festival, but it turns out, you know, we couldn't meet because there was an event there, so we never actually like saw each other. But because I stayed a little longer and left my group today, I was on my own getting lost, as you saw earlier, and I passed all those guys, and then I wanted to turn around to see my back road, and then they're all waving me down to turn around to go with them. I'm like, whatever. Oh my god, that was bad. Turns out it's the fucking guy that I was supposed to meet up with earlier and his group. I was like, what? I low-key almost just died right back there. I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't even like use my body to turn at all. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Damn. Bo was burbling and gurgling. What? Some pause. Fire. Man, that bike's cool. That shit sounds great. I've never really I've heard of a Honda CB, but like never like seen one or really remembered it exists.